If you're encountering an invalid PIN error on the Mint mobile app, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Verify your PIN. Check the PIN you are entering to ensure it is correct. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. If you're unsure, refer to any documentation or emails from Mint Mobile that may contain your PIN. Step 2. Reset your PIN. Before starting recovery, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Mint mobile app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An outdated app can sometimes cause errors. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. Go to your device settings, find the Mint mobile app, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app and try entering your PIN again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Mint Mobile's customer support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or help reset your account if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid PIN error on the Mint mobile app. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.